These structures, people come and visit them, and what they don't really realise is that they are subject to constant ongoing maintenance and conservation by Cadw and by our predecessors, often using very different techniques back in the day that we possibly wouldn't use now. They're also bottomless pits of money. You're always spending on them constantly because they're just constantly eroding, constantly decaying. It's time, effectively, that we're dealing with. To conserve a monument isn't to freeze it in time. It's effectively to slow and manage that process of decay. Back behind me, what you can't see is the massive brick arcade, not quite on the scale of the stone ones that we see today that were built in the 1920s, 30s, to take down some of these great piers. It's gigantic brick-built vaulted scaffolding just to dismantle these pillars, to be able to rebuild them again with steel threads in the middle, which again may have their own implications for the stability of the building now. And during that early period, lots of the site was repointed with quite hard cementitious mortars, so cement, lots of gravel. It's very distinctive. You'll see it as you work around. To address this, it's not just a case of phoning up our own masons in-house or contracting Bob the builder to come out, put a scaffold up and deal with it. We have to look at lots of different things. And the first approach is, well, what's happened in the past? A leading European monastic expert who's written a guidebook to the site was basically undertaking a massive programme of documentary research to understand exactly what's happened to this abbey in the last 200 years. Who did what, why and where. The records of my predecessors, and probably their predecessors are quite murky. They didn't record like we did now. They didn't do huge laser scans, photogrammetric surveys like we do today. It was often a case of the labourers doing the work would also have been the people who excavated foundations. They'd make a note in a foreman's report book in awful illegible hand, and that's all you know. We're not aided by much in terms of the records. Very little formal excavation has been done at Tintern. So we know about the early church foundations from almost a survey excavation in the 1920s with a standard of recording which is back of an envelope almost. So we know that somewhere down there we've got the Norman church walls and whatever went with them. But other than that, apart from a couple of burials that have been seen in the past, there's been almost no excavation here at all.